Nearly 60 years after the Renault 16 redefined family cars with its modern and functional design, and 40 years after the game-changing Symbioz offered 7-seat versatility in just 4.25 meters, Renault introduces Symbioz. This new model continues that tradition, combining C-segment technology, compact dimensions, and generous interior space to meet a wide range of needs. Carrying the DNA of Renault's iconic family cars, the Renault 16, launched in 1965, broke new ground with its hatchback body and adaptable interior, features that made it a car designed around real life. It offered families flexibility, including a unique holiday travel seating position, reflecting the era's evolving lifestyles. Renault continued this innovative streak with the 1980s Symbioz, featuring a one-box design and modular layout, and the 1990s Scenic, the first compact MPV with a cocoon-like interior focused on comfort and passenger well-being. Symbioz builds on this legacy. It blends modularity, useful technology, and a smart, compact design tailored to today's families. With adjustable seating and boot configurations, it adapts easily to daily life. Symbioz also showcases Renault's latest design language, following models like the Scenic E-Tech Electric and the new Capture. It brings together the best of Renault's C-segment expertise in efficiency, connectivity, and comfort for both short commutes and long journeys. It's aimed at a wide audience, families needing space and flexibility, and fleet operators seeking efficient electrified vehicles with low total cost of ownership. Symbioz delivers both. Strategically positioned and technologically advanced. Slotting between Capture and Austral, Symbioz strengthens Renault's presence at the entry point of the C-segment. At 4.41 meters long, it complements the E-Tech hybrid lineup alongside Arcana, 4.57 meters, and Austral, 4.51 meters, and adds to the E-Tech electric range with models like Megane and Scenic E-Tech Electric. It reinforces Renault's dual-platform strategy to meet diverse user demands. Symbioz comes packed with advanced technology, including the OpenEar Link multimedia system with Google built-in and the Solarbay smart sunroof. The high-end iconic version offers 29 new generation driver assistance systems to enhance safety and comfort. Its interior is just as impressive, offering up to 624 liters of boot space and a sliding rear bench that folds flat, making it one of the most versatile cars in its class. Despite this practicality, it remains compact and nimble, perfect for urban use and family life alike. Efficient, lightweight, and eco-conscious. Weighing under 1,500 kilograms and powered by the E-Tech Hybrid 145 system, Symbioz is both eco-friendly and cost-efficient. Its hybrid technology, refined since 2020, delivers class-leading performance in fuel economy and emissions. Symbioz is built on an extended version of the CMF-B platform, shared with the Clio, Capture, and Arcana, which brings well-balanced proportions and a cohesive silhouette. Its rear overhang not only enhances boot space but also contributes to the car's streamlined profile. The rear end complements a bold, modern front, defined by a high, horizontal bonnet and clean vertical lines. Renault's new sculpted design language is visible at both ends, framing the sleek, minimalist side panels. The sharply defined front and rear edges catch the light in a way that enhances the car's angular, faceted surfaces, giving it a refined, contemporary look. The new Renault logo features prominently throughout, fully displayed at the center of the grille, split within the front lighting signature, and repeated as a graphic pattern across the radiator grille. Distinct interiors for each version. Each of the 3 trim levels, Techno, Esprit Alpine, and Iconic, features unique upholstery tailored to its identity. Techno, thick fabric seats with a subtle embroidered logo, accented by yellow top stitching and yellow-gray piping. Esprit Alpine, sporty, high-tech fabric covers the seat cushions and backrests, paired with blue top stitching and embossed TEP side panels. The same material is used on the inner door panels and dashboard. Iconic, a wide mesh, high-tech fabric inspired by premium sports gear, with gold stitching and piping. A large fragment of the Renault logo appears across the backrests, adding a bold, upscaled touch that breaks from conventional automotive styling. The rear bench slides up to 16 centimeters, providing up to 221 millimeters of rear knee room or expanding boot space depending on passenger needs. 492 liters with the bench pushed back. 624 liters with it pushed forward. Up to 1,582 liters with the 60-40 split rear seats folded flat. The boot floor is flat and lip-free for easy loading, especially useful for families. Symbioz also includes 24.7 liters of interior storage, with 7 liters in the glove box alone. Connectivity and everyday practicality. For charging and connectivity, there are 2 USB-C ports at the front and 2 more at the rear. All versions include a wireless phone charger as standard. A major strength of the Symbioz is its flexible boot, supported by a hands-free power tailgate. It can be opened from inside the cabin via the dashboard control, from outside via the tailgate button, the hands-free keycard, or a simple foot swipe under the rear bumper sensor. First seen on the Rafale and Scenic E-Tech Electric, Renault's Solarbay tinted glass sunroof is now available on Symbioz. It continues the brand's commitment to making cutting-edge technology accessible across its mainstream models. Powered by Amply Sky technology, Solarbay replaces traditional sun blinds with an innovative segmented dimming system. Using PDLC, polymer dispersed liquid crystal, tech, it adjusts its opacity in response to an electric current, allowing each segment to darken one after the other for a striking visual effect. It can be controlled via a switch or with voice commands through Google Assistant. Passengers can select from 4 settings: fully transparent, fully opaque, transparent front, opaque rear, opaque front, transparent rear. Solarbay minimizes heat buildup in the cabin, ensuring comfort year-round, more effectively than mechanical blinds. It also boosts headroom by 30 mm, improving passenger comfort and helping keep the vehicle's overall height down, which benefits aerodynamic efficiency. The sunroof automatically darkens when the engine is off and returns to its previous setting when the car restarts. From the Techno trim upward, Symbioz includes the OpenR Link multimedia system with Google built-in, running on Android Automotive 12. This system delivers personalized suggestions for navigation, media, and interior settings based on the driver's habits. A 10.4 inches vertical central screen gives users access to a fully connected ecosystem, compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, both wired and wireless. A 10.3 inches digital driver display complements the central screen, showing all key driving data, including full-color navigation. The My Renault app brings remote access and control to the Symbioz. Users can download apps directly to the car, activate the horn and lights to find the vehicle in a crowded lot, and track range and mileage in real time. It also simplifies maintenance by showing service alerts and allowing users to book appointments via the app. The Symbioz hybrid powertrain has been continuously improved, especially in software management, to enhance fuel efficiency and comfort, particularly on highways. It also introduces the eSave function, activated with a steering wheel button. This mode maintains the battery charge at 40% or higher to ensure electric power is always available for climbing hills or overtaking, without overloading the combustion engine or triggering a noisy kickdown. Additionally, predictive hybrid driving leverages Google Maps data, such as elevation, travel time, and traffic, to optimize electric motor usage over combustion, reducing fuel consumption. After each trip, drivers get a breakdown of consumption and distance traveled in electric mode, shown in a bar chart summary.